Basic information and family of Ranu Mandal. Real name: Ranu Ray, also known as Ranu Mondal. Date of birth: 10 October 1959. Hometown: Ranaghat, West Bengal. Favorite singer: Lata Mangeshkar. Genre: melodious songs. Her role model: Lata Mangeshkar. Achievement: became popular singer overnight by just a single video on social media. Ranu Mandal is a melodious singer who belongs to Ranaghat, West Bengal. Ranu was married to Babul Mondal of Mumbai, and she shifted to Mumbai after her marriage. After the death of her husband, she returned to her village, Ranaghat, West Bengal. This was the worst time in the life of Ranu Mandal, as she was financially very poor. Ranu also has one daughter. Ranu's daughter stood away from her for about 10 years. She didn't like her mother singing on railway platform.
After the death of her husband, she returned to her village and started singing at railway station to earn money for her living. Ranu used to sing at Ranaghat station in West Bengal, which was witnessed by many but forgotten by all. Ranu often sang old songs. One day a software engineer, Atindra Chakraborty, noticed her beautiful voice. Atindra make a video recording of her song and put it on social media. In the video, Ranu was singing Lata Mangeshkar's song Ek Pyar Ka Nagma Hai. The video got viral overnight and her voice got highly appreciated by common people and even by big celebrities. After noticing her popularity, Sony Entertainment TV channel invited her to Superstar Singer reality show. Impressed with her voice, during the show Himesh Reshamia offered her song in his movie. Soon Himesh recorded a song, Teri Meri Kahani, with Ranu Mondal for his movie Happy Hardy and Here. Atindra was also in the studio when Ranu was recording the song for Himesh. After that, Ranu got offers for songs from many other music directors. ND got contracts for musical concerts. After Ranu's success in Bollywood, her daughter returned and accepted her singing profession.